I've seen this happen a few times with a user's printer. Either they'll have to restart the printer or the computer to get it back working again. The print queue will be empty. Click on Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Find your printer, then you'll be able to open the print queue. The queue is empty, but as you can see, there's files in the Windows Print Spooler folder. There should be none when the print queue is empty. As a result, no printing until that folder is cleared. I've created a batch file. The purple lines are all comments, except for the green lines are commands. Number 1 is stopping the print spooler. Number 2 is deleting all the temporary files in that folder. It's a Windows folder. And number 3, restarting the print spooler. At the bottom here we got a red section that's a pause. It's just waiting for user input. The text or window will still be on the screen and won't disappear on you. A download link will be available below. This is a good fix to try if your printer stopped working. If it's not the reason, it's not going to cause any trouble. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below.